Click on the link below to get price. The AprilAire E050 Pro Dehumidifier Bundle is an exceptional choice for anyone dealing with excess moisture in crawl spaces. With a capacity of 50 pints per day, this model effectively combats humidity and prevents mold growth, creating a healthier environment for your home. One standout feature of the E050 is its robust construction and reliability. Designed specifically for crawl space applications, it operates efficiently in conditions that other dehumidifiers struggle with. The unit boasts a durable exterior that can withstand low temperatures and high humidity levels, making it ideal for damp areas often found beneath homes. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions that make it accessible even for those who may not be particularly handy. The bundle includes all necessary components, ensuring you have everything needed for a seamless setup. Once installed, the unit operates quietly, allowing you to go about your daily activities without disruption. The built-in humidistat is another notable feature. It allows for precise humidity control, automatically activating the dehumidifier when moisture levels rise above your set threshold. This smart functionality not only keeps your crawl space dry but also helps save energy by running only when necessary. Another great aspect of the AprilAire E050 is its energy efficiency. It is designed to minimize power consumption while delivering optimal performance, which can lead to significant savings on energy bills compared to less efficient models. Furthermore, maintenance is simplified with the easily accessible filter, which can be cleaned or replaced without hassle. The unit also includes a continuous drainage option, allowing for hassle-free moisture removal without the need for manual intervention. Overall, the AprilAire E050 Pro Dehumidifier Bundle is a top-tier solution for managing humidity in crawl spaces. Its reliability, efficiency, and smart features make it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner looking to protect their property from moisture-related issues.